First, check and make sure the media coating type is set to the media you are using. On the printer, select Menu, go to Printer Setup 1, select Media Type, and ensure your media type is correct. Next, make sure that your ink has not run out. If you have low ink or your ink has dried out, it could be causing your labels to have poor print quality. If you have uneven printed colors on your label, go to the nozzle check on the unit panel. Perform a nozzle check and check the pattern on the printed label. If the pattern is printed normally, the nozzle is clear. If the pattern has an uneven print, then the nozzle is clogged. Perform a head cleaning if this occurs. To do a head cleaning, go to Menu, select Cleaning, press Yes. This may take a few minutes. Perform the cleaning several times. If the cleaning doesn't work, execute Ink Recharge on the operation panel. Go to Menu, go to Maintenance, select Ink Recharge, press Yes. Also, check that the nozzle verification technology is enabled. Go to Menu, go to Printer Setup 2, select Nozzle Verification Technology, and ensure it is enabled. If you have streaks coming across your labels, then you should adjust the value of your banding reduction. Go to the Printing Preferences. Under the General tab, go to Print Settings and select Advanced. You can change the light and dark setting with banding reduction. When color lines are light, move to the plus direction. When color lines are dark, move to the negative direction. Uneven printed colors may also happen if the paper feed amount changes. On the printer driver, select Detailed Settings, then Advanced Settings, and perform a paper feed adjustment. If your printed design seems to be shifting to the side, reload your labels and ensure the paper guide is set properly. If your label design is still not fully covering your label, then go to Printing Preferences, Printer Utilities, Printer Setting Utility, and perform Print Start Position Adjustment in either the vertical or horizontal direction, depending on where your label is getting cut off. Once you have gone through each of these adjustments, your label design should print correctly.